I'm here to talk about a very, very wonderful band, Buster J. Very wonderful for my business. They will play up above my store, you know that. And the other kids, they come down and they buy chips and they buy pop, and they buy candy, and they buy cigarettes, and it was very, very wonderful for my business. I just don't know why they broke up. It's terrible for my business. It's a very hairy spider. Just excuse me for a minute. That's terrible. See, now no one comes and spiders, and there's his mother. That's terrible. It's horrible. Excuse me. I'm very sorry about that. Very, very sorry. And Joe Bennett was just an amazing bass player. Excuse me, but that is my son. But he's a good little boy, and pretty soon he's going to own 7 or 8 party stores, and we're going to run all the white people out of the neighborhood. And except for the guys in the band, they can stay as long as they bring kids to buy chips and candy and pop and cigarettes and beer and all nice things like that. And I want to wish Joe Ballard a very, very happy Christmas and a Merry New Year. Goodbye now. I like to see you. Goodbye. Goodbye very much. Thank you.